So today and in the box, we'll be unboxing the JBL Tune600 Bluetooth headset. Now, this headset looks pretty cool. I mean, for one of the lesser expensive devices, this looks like something that I would probably consider using on a day-to-day basis. It may not be a pair of Beats, but let's see what comes inside of this box here. I mean, it has a lot of good specs. Definitely worth looking into if you ask me, just based on what I'm reading here. But let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Alright, sorry guys, I'm struggling doing these videos with one hand while I record with the other. Oh, it's just a piece of plastic. What else do we got in here? Alright, there we go. Let's get rid of that. So first, we're going to be taking a look at the charging cable. So this is a micro USB cable. It looks pretty short. The signature orange that JBL gives with the logo embroidered on it. We have, oh, that's the aux cable. So it looks like you're able to use auxiliary and Bluetooth with this headset. So if your battery dies, I'm pretty sure this will work normally without needing to charge it with the auxiliary. Now it looks like, let me see. Got this thing tied down, it looks like. Hold on a second, let me see how this comes out. Nope, the side is tied down as well. Oh, there we go. Let me just untie both ends real quick. Again, forgive me guys, I'm just using one hand here so I can hold the camera while I'm doing this unboxing. But let's get these headphones out and check them out. Should come out now. A little bit. There we go. All right, let's check these out. So far, I mean, they feel good. I mean, the material that they have definitely feels good. These cushions kind of feel like they would be comfortable on my ear. They have the left and the right put inside of it, so there's no confusion. Here are the keys. We got volume up, volume down, and where the auxiliary goes with the power. I'm assuming that might be pairing mode right there. But I mean, just from looking at them, I haven't tested them yet, but it feels like a great pair of headphones for somebody that's looking for day-to-day headphones to use. And JBL equipment is pretty good too. From my own experience, I definitely would recommend JBL as a brand when it comes to the audio part of it, just for everyday listening. So I mean, I like them. There we go, power this thing up. No, it automatically went in pair mode. I have to look into what this second button does right there. But let's keep it going. Get this out of the way. Alright, so we have this packet. Oh, okay, it's glued down. Try to, let me not rip it. Let me just open this packet up and pull the stuff out of it. This isn't the most great looking unboxing, but we're getting it done, guys. Alright, so we have the booklet here. So I'm assuming this is specs and instructions on how to use the headset. And again, just based on the specs, this seems like a great headset to purchase for the price. This has a big warning sign, so I'd have to look into what this book is. Another one, okay. And they don't really label their books, so I'd have to go through them one by one. I'm assuming one would be warranty and so forth. But here we have the headphones. It comes with the cables to charge and to listen to, and a few books. So make sure you share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.